行，开始吧，我可能
能大吗？可以。
Hello，
Hello，
看不清是谁。把孩子弄过点来。
Hello team。Hello team。
对，
你把孩子搞大吧，你可以看见。把你孩子搞以后，谁说的？
我这个放在他的旁边，有点
Hello， 来吧，这个你看看。
哎呀，
对，你们还不要放这儿，对吧？这样，明白？
可以，我让照着这些吧，然后我看这字儿是什么。
对，记住。开始吧，一个人可以开始讲了，然后一个人可以看手机，对吧？我在那里看效果。
这怎么看呀？是这个人吗
？OK， 先介绍一下自己。
这个都看不出来，就只有这个能看出来，看不出来你还个。要不然弄俩一个上面一个。
蛮远的。
你说，
要不然把一个手机夹到还夹上吧，因为这个看不出来，就可能看见明星看不见我，能看见我看不见你。
那咱俩凑近
来，把哪个夹上去？
这个不，这个夹这个吧，要不然这个也看不见，但是这个字儿。
这个没准加上这个是吧
这也太
？Hello，
可怕了吧！到处都是我呀。咱这应该是自拍的角度。
你可以把镜头挪过来。
你已经给你宣传了。
你再给我转过来呗，这样我可以看到我的角度。
哦，你想想看自己是吧？
低点，低点。把这个人聊个天呀？
不用了，回头再聊了。
别把你微博了，请进你的视频。
怎么微博？
买家进入直播间啦！
谁呀？
现在我这是高峰期。
这是什么？官方推荐。
不是吧？那是来了吗？
要不然能真能点进去看吗？
你看这样行吗？你先。
这个
可以，到了。
可以啦，来开始啦。
把还个先马的还个，对不起，把还个先马的还个也弄在这桌上看。
麦到得孙在看直播。
或者是加大一点。
可以连麦吗？
可以。
哪个上都有连麦。不是还个凳子上还个。
我的没信号。这有信号。我的近视眼真严重。
真的看不清呀。要不然咱那个什么？
然后一下。
那你们开始吧，不要让这个来，你屋里有人说什么就行。
他们就说一个
加起来加的不是特别好，因为这个桌子是斜角，所以它不掉。
能不能叫到凳子上面呢？
你们先给我开始吧。
好的。
第一句话怎么说呢
？Hello everyone, today有一个 live stream 就是直播 live stream。
Today is our this tree. And we will introduce panel air filter production line. 抢嗓子。And my name is San Li from Plum Filter Solution, and this is Samantha. Hello, Samantha.
Hi everyone, I'm Samantha.
Okay, let's begin our lesson today. 怎么下一页呢？
这儿。
怎么把它拿过去？
就是让它隐藏是吧？隐藏不了，我可能隐藏这个。
怎么让它回去呢？
看退出1来4看进来。
上头。这样也行，这样也行，这样可能大家看不到。
And today we will introduce two parts. First one is machine part, and the second is material part. And let's start the machine part first. Okay, let me introduce the machine part by introducing the steps of producing a filter. We can divide it into 10 steps. The first step is filter paper slitting. Second, filter paper plating with gluing. The third, filter paper cutting, if you have some special shape. And fourth, plated paper put into the plastic mold and gluing on the paper. And step 5, peel glue injection into mold. Step 6, peel glue heating and demolding. And step 7, peel trimming. Step 8, printing. And step 9, shaking film. And the last one step is packing. 转不过圈儿来了。And the step 1 is filter paper slitting machine. And if you buy some rolls of paper, maybe it's not the size you want, you will need a filter paper slitting machine to cut the paper roll into the size you want. 第一步是切纸，又开始转圈儿。And the model number of this machine is PLF 1200N for auto paper trimming machine. 没有参数，你想怎么给他看视频呢？
呀，怎么看视频？可以先让进入一个
可以找出视频来就行，我这个是考出视频。
然后再检查。
考了9个反正。
然后用这种方式。
或者是上面看我可以描述。看不了。
filter。准备不是很充分。那个我们可以 PLF 杠1200。这个我做是真的。Sorry, the signal is not so good. 这个网速让我很尴尬。
来，
我怎么往下拖呢？
他这样还看不了吗？
他们看不到这个屏幕。
你才能看到这个。
也是哈。
看一下这个能看吗？那天讲，这个是什么意思？
Video presentation 嘛，也不行。
共享
不能共享屏幕。
好像下载一下。
Share screen。Screen sharing。
哦，这个可以是吧？这个是分享的什么吧？分享录制。
想录制。
打开。
打开吗？那就不会是了，你是吧？
应该是什么摄像头，可能是吧？
为什么是摄像头？
它不是录制吗？录制应该是什么呢？屏幕录制。这个解锁。什么？
我的帮我录找。
这不是。
那我们不折腾这个，我们先把它关了。Share screen 窗口。
可以随便下一个是什么东西？点一下这个还行吗？可以的，是吧？哦，来了，可以来了。
Okay, let's watch a video. You can see a whole row of people. After the machine processing, it will split into small rows. This is the paper after bleach. This is the filter paper, plated filter paper. 没有啊，但是他们可以听到。哦，应该可以听到吧？
刚刚是在我的群里。
还是听到单词的。 这个是用谁的账号来着？OK. This is the specification of this machine. 我的网右端 is suitable for the Y1300 and the cutting thickness 20 to 300 gram per square meters, depending on different raw materials. Is suitable for max diameter of raw material unwind 这个 yes is suitable for the roll of filter paper max diameter 800 millimeters. And the max width of filter paper is 1300 millimeters. And the widening inflatable strip is 74 millimeters. 参数都是好难懂的。And the machine speed can reach 10 to 200 meters per minute. And its total power is 5. 这个没写错了，不是5000瓦吗？
对吧？
哇，没关系，感觉照着读都不是。
看一下，
And
可以看一下，这个不是吗？
咱就别看了，咱赶紧直播里边来。
不是说到时候再错误了，可以纠正一下这个。
The step 2 is filter paper plating with gluing. Filter paper plating is an essential part of the production line. During the process of plating the filter paper through a plating machine, filter plating machine, it will be glued with hot melt glue. You can see this is one part of filter paper after plating. But this filter paper is just plating one, but not glue. After plating in the machine, there will be some hot melt glue on both sides of the paper.
Like this， 咱能看见吗？咱们要聊这个上面是吧
Yes.
？Like this one， 咱能看到吗？白色的不太好看到是吧？
Let me show a finished filter. There will be two side hot melt glue, but the pure glue covers the hot melt glue. We can't see the hot melt glue here, but there will be some hot melt glue. You can see the glue inside.
这个，这个不太好看的。
展示一下这个，不用说的这么详细。
这就得看不见了。
那这个
不太清。
我给你找个U盘放上点视频。
is our filter plating machine. The model number is PRPJ350 for auto filter paper plating and gluing machine. Let's see if we can watch a video. 点不了，
点加号的。
点加号是看 local video 吗？
它不是能用 U 盘吗？
可以了，可以了。我现在根本就找，刚才怎么找的？今天找的不错。
我的电脑在哪？
就直接用咱们刚才那网页版嘛。
Okay, let her see the.
大家都看到。是的，但是这个手机看不到。我用电脑这个，用正好打开看看其他人没看。
那放不下去。
2个手指。
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello.
350。
We are purchasing the panel car air filter production line. Welcome. Introducing. Sorry.
分享 Let me share my computer screen.
2个手。
滑不动的，我手跟。怎么你滑一滑呀？其他手机看不到。Hello. Okay, let's watch again.
PDF 那用 PDF。
不是分享这个 Okay, let's continue.哦，在这儿。要不你来读，
OK，行，
因为我实在是读不顺。
我也可以的。Specification 是吧？
Simplification.
The specification of the PLPG 350. The speed is
为什么突然翻译起来？
还是换成了 Siri。The speed is 5 to 30 meter per minute.
Yes.
And it can adjustable with by change the rollers. The
看不懂你就跳。
The minimum paper wise is 90 millimeter. The maximum paper wise is 320 millimeters. The minimum plate height is 16 millimeter. Maximum plate height is 72 millimeters. And the total power. The heating power is 8.5 kilowatt. The working air pressure is 0.6 MPa 什么 pa 是吧？
造化怎么说？跳过去。
Hello, I will send a
他好像没办法评论。
Okay, the next one.
The next one is step 3, field paper cutting with special shape. There will be some special shape.
Special shape,
Yes.
like this one. 那我还有个正方形的，这儿你可以看一下。
Square one.
这个是什么来着 ？Square. Square shape. This is a special shape. So if you like this one, you can cut the paper. Use this machine. Step 3. Yes, it's PLHL1, special shaped filter trimming machine. Let's see the radio.
Okay, let's watch the video and 怎么讲呢？让气死了。
哎，这个有，稍等，可以了，这没电了，对吧？ 虚
它
的，
是
吃虚的你就这样走就
它是
可以了。
识别不了我的手指吗？Okay, let's watch a video. ，PLM cutting machine, corner cutting machine. Okay, you can see the machine cut one corner.
Okay, it's a short video. So let's see
The video again.
a video again. Okay, let's see the specification. Okay, what's the specification?
Specification.
Specification.
是，好难懂。我一直都是
Okay.
念字。
Okay, the product name is PLHL1. The production capacity is 1.5 meter per minute. The maximum width is 500 millimeters. Okay? The maximum length is 500 millimeters.
ANC.
And the filter paper thickness is 3 to 100 millimeters. The machine power is 1.1 kilowatt. The power supply is 380 volt. 50赫兹，赫兹怎么读呀？这是赫兹吧，应该是。Okay, let's see the next one.
你说。
你说一个吧，你说一个。
The step 4 is plated filter paper put into the plastic mold and gluing on the paper. Okay, let me show a plastic mold. 为什么是这个？
这右脚还不行，都是说的那个。
这一波你想说你在之前。
右脚。Okay, let's see. 呀，这中线
我说
抱歉。
那也没错。First, we have a plastic mold and we put the filter paper into the mold and cover the top one to the lower one. Okay, obviously I'm not a skilled worker. And we put the paper and the plastic mold into a machine. This machine is used to inject center hot metal glue gun on the paper surface. 有没有带的 ？OK， 这个。For example, this filter, you can see there will be a glue line in the middle. This is hot metal glue. And which machine we should use to inject the glue line? Let me watch a video. 要找一个机器 PLS 还是杠杆？
杠一分。
dash
Yes. Dash 8. OK.
怎么关不掉呢？
那这个看看。
所以说先进来。
连这个是。我看一下。
PLM
Dash 8. 摁进去，往上，两个手指头往上。
哦，这两手指头就好使。
是的，这两个手指头。
Heating machine. Also the panel air filters gluing machine, the PU glue and the hot melt glue. Yeah. Which kind of which type of machine you which kind of filter you like to produce? Then we suggest the suitable machine for you. Include the heating machine and the gluing machine. Okay.
没有了吧？
Okay, welcome. Thank you for your support. Which kind of filter you like to produce? You can leave a comment. Then we can show the videos one by one.
这个也正在考试呢，在网。
没有好，
不是网上都挺好。
完了变成一个人。
一人不少。来吧，继续吧。再放一段视频，还能看。
可以直接弄一下这个就行。 这儿，
哦，
这两个都可以看见。
那我可以点这个，那我开始操作重放。哦，这边正在放。这个直播结束了。哪里可以看见？这是记录，这是private chart，没有 private chart，
这是私信，
没人给我私信。
那个你这不看不到。
但是
这个是这个吗？这个点一下这个。
哦，这个 chart。
哦，是的。
Who is talking? Can't see what you're pointing to.
这是啥来着？我没听懂你说的什么。
Yes, I think.
那说一下，你直接跟他说一下吧。
Are you still there? And we're introducing the process of producing a panel car air filter.
So if you want to produce the panel air filters like this, you need
Yes. If you want to produce a filter like this, yes, we are introducing the machine to produce this kind of filter, panel car air filter. If you have interest in producing this kind of air filter, please contact us. Please leave your contact information such as WhatsApp, email, and we will contact you. Okay, let's continue the introduction. And the model number of this machine is PLS-8, and it's for auto panel air filter element double side gluing machine, and we also have a single side gluing machine. Its its model number is okay. Let me introduce the product, the machine specification first. And the production capacity is 10 pieces 1 minute. and hot melt, and the weight is 10 kg, and the motor power is 0.55 kilowatt。kilowatt 的前拼是什么呀？瓦特。And the hot melt machine heating power is 12 kilowatt, and the working air pressure is 0.6 MPa, and the power supply is 380 vlog 50 HZ. Okay. And we have another machine. Its model number is PLFG2. Let's watch the video of it. 我要开始整我这个机器，哎也不用，哎也不用，这就有。
啊，好好。
Hello, do you have any truck filters also? Yes, we have truck filters.
Yes, today we only introduce kind of.
It's similar like this.
Yes.
This is truck air filter. It also have different size, different size. It has the mantle caps and also the PU cap and the mantle caps type. If you're interested in the truck filters, you can leave me the comments with your email address. I will send you some details after the live stream finish. Okay. Thank you for the support. All this on the truck air filters. Okay.
Okay, let's watch the video. PLFG2.
You can come to the channel. You can come to the channel to another site. It's YouTube. It can show more details. Yes, it will show more details.
为什么我们两个人都没上去，但是有可能。
I will send you a link. See more information. Okay.
这个别说了。哎，那个网页呢？
没事，找不出来，你把这个关了，然后就行了。把这个关了就可以了。
哦，在这儿呢。可以看到另外一个网页。一会儿到看。
你看这个是应该那个。
Hi dear Abdul. I send you a message. Join on my WhatsApp. Okay, you can join the WhatsApp. You can also come to this YouTube channel. Then you will see more information about the filters and the filter production lines. Okay, you can leave me the WhatsApp
OK。有电吗？ This is the specification of PRFG2 and its production capacity is 3 pieces per minute and the machine weight is 10 kg and motor power is 0.12 kilowatt. And the machine heating power is 6 kilowatt. The working air pressure is also 0.6 MPa. And the total weight of the whole machine is 250 kg. And let's continue. The next one is PU glue machine. Okay, let me show you a finished filter. You can see that there will be a orange part, something like rubber. It's actually PU glue formal and solidified. Yes, the PU glue, we have many colors. If you want a pink one, a black one, we can also produce it. We use this plastic mold. We inject the PU glue on the mold. Yes, after injecting the PU mold, we put the upper mold and the filter paper covered. Okay, sorry.
Please observe my invitation. Okay.
On the lower mold. Let's watch how the machine works. YouTube 有视频。
网站上那个是那个老的上面都像那个
这个视频是哪一个视频？
这个视频啊 ，YouTube
算了，咱们就看老视频。我也要开始转吗？
你两个手可以吗？
我就是两个手，为什么我的手好像
摁实点，摁实点，不要让它飘了。点一下。来了。
怎么缩小？
就是往下一走，这儿就来了，对，然后就可以看到这个。
停止。Okay, let's watch the video. You can see the machine inject PU glue into the plastic mold. And they use a metal plate to press the plastic.
Thank you for your support. I see your support. Thank you.
Okay, let's watch the video again.
Continue, pay attention to our history. More information is project and methods. What's your opinion, please?
谢谢老师聆听。因为他看不见咱的屏幕，
看不见这屏幕。
咱们听首歌吧。算了，开玩笑的，退出全屏。
可是咱开个会员吧，因为一下子就可以播8个平台看一下。
真的，
下回咱们开会员。
开个会员多少钱啊？
我想多好几平台全是很好。
呀，不是他好像是那种开的平台多，他就卡慢。之前咱们家那个固态硬盘的时候，我在我那个老电脑上，我就开了3个平台，他已经把我电脑卡的动不了，太过分了。
25个。
Let me introduce the machine specification. Its available cup diameter is less or equal to 450 millimeters, and design ratio is
旁边那个叫做，没这个你先看吧。
怎么突然觉得不太好？
对。
The machine overall output is 5 to 15 gram per second, and the machine pairing maximum size is round one. The diameter
You
is
can come to the channel. You can come to another
See.
channel with the message.
the round one mode. The max size is 350 millimeters, and the for square one is 400 multiplies 300 millimeter. 我刚才是不是说错了？400 multiplies 300 millimeters, and the speed is 2 to 10 meters per minute.
Welcome.
And the power supply we can yes 定做怎么说来着 ？Customize. The machine weight is 1000 kg. Okay, step 6.
Okay. The next step is step 6. The pure glue need heating and then we will demolding the plastic mold. So we will get the complete 那个 PU glue。So let's see the video. Okay. This machine is PLTK dash 616 because they have 16 stations.
Let's watch a video.
Oven machine. They can use the crack actuator or the panel actuator. Okay, let's see one more time. They have 16 stations, and you can say at least 16 enough.
Damn it, thing.
Okay, let's see the specification. Okay, product name is PLTK-16. The production capacity is 180 pieces per hour. Filter element height is 500 millimeters. It's so high. The filter element diameter is 450 millimeter. Motor power, the machine motor power is 4 kilowatt. The working air pressure is 0.6 ampa. Yes. Okay, the next one.
旁边这个人在老是
哦，这个那个，
他的名字也特别自由。
你看一下他的。
Cheaped sexy dating fund 这不是一个色情的网站。
Okay, the next one is PLBL-60. Yes, they have 60 stations. Okay, it's U type. They like the letter U, so it's U type. Let's see the video.
Then 咱们网站有没有这个？
有。
底下这个。
底下有啊。OK。
那个呗。哎，不是，这个。图。
Unfinished. Okay. It's consult. So let's see one more time. Hold on.
Yes, cemento falls down hardened under.
Okay. Let's see the specification.
没有人。是说1小时11分。什么？
这不是3.8了吗？
你得看你直播的看时间。
那边没有一个时间，14分钟，14分钟。
14分钟。我们播了半天，播了14分钟。
不是1小时14分钟。
这一遍不是还没播完呢，现在是吧？一遍还没播完。
下一个是我。
你
Yes, next is step 7, PU trimming. After we got.
我可以给你抄过来。
Yes, after we got the.
Okay, welcome.
We got the filter out from the plenty mode. It will have some weighted edge on the peel part. Now we need a machine trim trim out the weighted edge from the filter. You can use a machine to trim it. You can use a trimming machine to cut out the wasted edge, and you can also use a scissor to cut out the wasted edge. Scissors. But if you don't want to use the scissors, you can use our machine. The machine model number is PLXB1.
It's a small machine.
This machine is not a big one. Very small, like a desk.嗯，有没有水平？有。好，再缩小一点。再缩小一点。Let's see the machine specifications. 这是个什么单位？ Okay, as I mentioned before, it's not a very big machine, so its specification is also simple. Okay. You can see its weight only 50 kg. And the size. Okay, the next. 还有几步？还有7、8、9、10。你要不我连发一块儿说？And 7, 8 printing and coding. If you do you have a company and you do brand, you do your own brand. 没有一个带喷码的。
This one, like this one.
Okay, if you have your own brand, you will need you need to print your own brand name on the filter and the model number on the filter. You can see this.
Thank you for your support.
So we will need a machine print the number and your brand name on the filter. Okay, this is, you can see the brand number on it. And then we have a automatic printing machine. The model number PLM 1210. And let's watch a video of it. 哎呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀呀！哎呀呀呀呀！
哎呦，下一个这个。
哦，OK。但是他没有看不到视频。
因为我给你找一下你那个什么的，我找一下你那个地方视频的一些。看过为什么你这个光位的话？
这个怎么看？人家是在看。
这个看不了。哦。
还有他们这个。
从前说。Okay, let's so it's also not a big one machine. And let's see specification. The laser wavelength is 1060 millimeters and 哦，眼花了，纳米怎么说？
纳米。还有。
1060 nm and minimum line width is 0.01 millimeter and the minimum character is 0.15 millimeters. Repeat accuracy is 0.002, and the coding method is built-in error code. And the control interface is USB, and the marking range is 100 multiply 100 to 175 multiply 175. And the next step, okay. Samantha, please.
Okay. The next step is step 9, shrinking film. Shrinking film. Okay. Let's see the radio. The machine is PLRS-2A. Shrinking film. Sealing machine. Okay.
这个咱们有视频吗？
有。
不是作为滤芯用的溶胶，咱们就不报价了啊。哦，还真有，是这个意思。哦，是这个意思。哦，是。因为这儿这边的那个空调这个4点前边，然后再转到那个。
If you like, we will can make the film shrinking. 看两个那种，这个是。Oh, like this one. 等会儿。Like this one, shrinking film package. The product name is PLRS-2A. The production capacity is 30 pieces per minute. The filter diameter is 400 to 450 millimeter. Filter height is 60 to 100 and 140 millimeters. Motor power is 8 kilowatt. Working air pressure is 0.5 ampere. This one is 0.5 par. The other machine is 0.16 par. If you see the 我看一下啊，this one 这个没有是吧？
是吧？这个是 PLM， 它哪儿的？你怎么往前走？
啊，这个没有呀，是吧？
你想看什么呢？
我想看一下还有个安帕，我突然想到了。
M
Okay, this working. This product name is PLTK dash 60. The working air pressure is 0.6 ampa.
So
The
看哪里没有？
我今天讲了。
没有，不是我说没有钱。
对，the product name PLRS RS-2A is 0.5 ampa. It's different. Okay, the next one.
后面也有。
Step 10 is a packing. Okay, the machine is PLM DB 5060. Okay, welcome. We'll introduce the panel car air filter production line. Okay, you can see the diagram.
Type
Let's see the video.
胶带是不是 type TAPE？
Okay. This is our set. You can search PLMDB dash 对不对？不是 PLM dash 什么来着 DB 50。
对。
So you can got it. Let's see.
是。
One more time.
汤姆的。OK， 汤姆的。
One more time.
汤姆的想来听的。
Okay.
汤姆的就是之前那个现场联系的那个，然后就是。
The production name is PLM dash DB 5060. The ceiling speed is 20 meter per meters per minute. The table height is minimum height is 570 millimeter. Maximum height is 750 millimeters. The power consumption is 0.2 kilowatt. 这个不是用的那个 power，motor power。The applicable type wise 48 millimeter or 60 millimeter or 75 millimeter. The machine weight 100 for 120 kg. Okay. Okay. Let's do a summary. The car air filter production line include paper plating machine, special shape coating machine, midline glue machine, this one, PU glue machine, this one. PU glue or oven machine is 16 and 60 station oven machine. PU glue trimming machine, if there is 不懂写，多数多余句子。Wasted age. Trimming the wasted age. The printing machine, printing and coding machine can printing your own or numbers. Shrinking film machine, the film package machine, the paper carton. Okay, so this is a machine part.
And the second part is material part. If we want to produce one panel called air filter, we will need material and such below. The first, the essential part of the filter. An essential part of the filter is filter paper. You can see this is our filter paper. We usually use 120 to 125 GSM, and the color we can produce many color for you. We usually use light yellow, and we usually use light yellow color, and if you want use red one or other color, we can also provide to you. And the second part is pure glue. We have 3米了，
就是说，three and 1%.
We have different ratio. For example, 3 and 1 and 4 and 1. And the color we can also do different color. The most customer use is orange color and pink color. And there are also black color. And the second material is hot melt glue. Hot melt glue including middle line glue and plating glue. The plating glue is used when the paper plating. You can see that there will be our filter paper. When we do the filter plating, we will use the plating glue on both sides to stabilize the filter paper. Also, the middle line glue, you can see this one, it has two lines of hot metal glue. And if you want to produce different OEM number, you need plastic mold. If you you can provide us your OEM number list, and we will check the set for you. For example, this is one of the plastic mold. We inject pure glue. We inject pure glue on the mold. Into the mold, you can see there will be also. We inject the pure glue into this. And we put the filter paper up with the upper mold, cover the lower mold. filter paper， 你是放了一些图片吗？Okay, this is filter paper. Let me introduce something. The first part, filter paper, we need an essential part of the paper of one filter is filter paper. And another essential one is pure glue. Okay, thank you. Yes, the good quality pure glue is smoother. You can see. 第二个是啥呀？ Elasticity and good pure glue will be better, and it will recover quickly when pressed. Let's see, I press it hardly and it recover very quickly. And the hardness, the power, the hardness, the better the toughness. 这个硬度是 the lower the hardness, the better the. 哦，硬度越低，抗压性越好。
You can see the information on our website.
And the tear resistance, the higher the tear resistance, the longer the service life. 你说的啥呀？Each batch of our goods will undergo a series of tests, such as hardness test, density test, toughness test, tensile strength test, tear resistance, cross-sectional density, measurement, and will also into a filter element for later testing. 下一页 ，hot metal glue。
用久了，他们可以能这样像是
这个字儿好小。Okay, for Hotmail glue, you can watch our or contact me. I will send you catalog. 现在有人看吗？他现在还在吗？
谁？之前我跟他说让你去看没去报，因为他可能没带。好，已经说了钱了。
Yes, for clarity mode, you can give me your OEM number and we will check the number for you. The material will divide into ABS and PP and the size according to OEM number. Thank you. Samantha, 你还有什么要补充的吗？就这么结束啊？还是再讲点啥？再讲点什么
讲一会儿让那个说，
？Yes。
你可以说，咱们可以做个服务，对吧？如果他想开一个这个，或者是他不知道怎么开，从哪开始，他无论是有一个地，他还是有一点想法，或者是他有就想投一个计划，开始或者是预告一下下次的直播，下次直播我们可能直播这个 truck air filter.
Yes, the next level show we will introduce trunk air filter. The trunk air filter, many machine of it can be used together with panel air filter, such as PU glue machine and driving oven. And the trunk air filter production material have two styles. PU style trunk air filter and window cover style air filter.
Andre.
他可以说一点，正好我有稿。要简单介绍一下，看着稿念。Trunk air filter production according to the material have two styles. The first is PU style trunk air filters. You can see this is. You can see the cover is PU glue. And another kind. This is a mental cup style air filter. It can't use the mental cover. You can see. Okay. And it uses the raw material we need to prepare, including filter paper, hot metal glue, PU glue, if you produce PU style, and AB glue if you plan to produce mental cup style. And it also needs plenty mold. And the equipment we need for trunk air filter includes two types. For the first one for PU style trunk air filter, you need a PU glue machine. And if you produce mental cover style, you need a AB glue machine. You can see this one. It has mental mesh cover the filter. It's dependent mesh. You can see this is a little piece of dependent mesh. 那个这个看那个雨露均沾 ，small，没人，
差不多了。
Its production process is similar to the panel air filter.
抓紧时间观看，要不然就要结束了。
The production of trunk air filter is similar to the panel air filter, but with the addition of expanded mental mesh processing and the cover glue machines. The first step is the processing of expanded mental mesh. We now have two solutions. Choose a mesh. Yes, you may have one row of expanded mesh where we have a very large vise, and you need to cut the vise into a into a suitable vise you need, and do the spot welding. For example, this one, you cut the mesh vise into a suitable vise, and then roll the mesh and do a spot welding. And the second step is spiral mesh. You need 109 millimeter metal mesh strips and put the metal strip into the mesh machine. The machine will produce a product like this, spiral mesh. Let's do a comparison. You can see this is a whole piece of expanded mesh, and we process it by spot welding. Here, later you can see one line for spot welding, and for this style spiral mesh, it will use 109 millimeter as metal strip mesh. It's different. They are different kinds. The next steps are after processing the metal mesh. The next steps are the plating of the filter paper and the injection of pure glue. A paper loading machine can be added after the plating machine to more quickly combine the mesh and the plated filter paper.
到最后的时候就再总结一下小程，最后5分钟或者最后10分钟的时候再总结一下小程。
Yes, a paper loading machine can be added. It can quickly put the filter paper into the metal mesh. And the next step for PU glue machine, for the PU glue injection. The PU glue machine can be also used for trunk air filter. We also need a plenty mold, but this time the mold is round one, not square one. Square one is for panel air filters. The round one mold is for trunk air filter. In addition to the type of PU glue, there are also some trunk air filter use the metal cups. So we need an AB glue machine for iron cover trunk air filter production. AB glue is also a two component 双组分怎么说？双组分怎么说？
双部分 two component.
Two component glue. So it also needs to be mixed into the machine according to the proportion. Usually it will use 6:1 ratio or 4:1 ratio. And our machine. Okay, let's do a summary. Oh, let's do the summary later. Other machines that may be used will including a turntable driving oven machine, welding glue injection machine, and horizontal glue injection machine, and sealing ring glue injection machine. Um, 那代理加上它。
有种 Nike 的，有种 Cassie 的，是吗？
对，我今天下午就是想联系他来着。
啊，这不刚联系你了？那就是说没有问题，是吧？你看这儿来，你看这儿来。小蓝伞，你结束就行了，你再总结一下，也没有几分钟了，还有2分钟，你总结一下今天的这个。
Okay, next time, we will introduce the truck air filter production line and truck air filter in detail. Let's do a summary about the panel car air filter production line. So you can see a complete car air filter. Use the PU glue, the filter paper, and the hot melt glue. Midline hot melt glue. The pleated paper. When pleating paper, use the hot melt glue. So the material about the car air filter is PU glue, filter paper, hot melt glue. Is the mainly parts. Okay, 这个不是，这是那机器。The machine, we can use the paper pleating machine. Paper pleating machine. The PU glue use the还有这个嘞。Filter paper, if you like the special shape, you can use the special shape coating machine PLHL-1. The hot melt glue the midline glue machine makes this. The PU glue use the PU glue machine. Use the plastic mold. When inject the PU glue, we will use the oven PU glue oven machine. Let the PU forming, heating and forming. Then we will demold. You will got the PU. Printing machine. Like this one. Shrinking machine. The film package. The carton package. Okay, that's all.
那你先过来，你想结束一下就差不多了。下回咱们就讲，再说一下，下回咱们讲啥，然后今天就结束，行吗？
那么结束了。
Okay, thank you for watching. The next time for the next stream will be.
Okay, thanks for your watching, and next time we will introduce the production line of trunk air filter. Maybe next week this time. Our next production line. Thank you.
Thank you. We come from PLM filter solution.
Yes, we are PLM filter solution.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
好，你接着拖，你把这个接着拖。
这个啊，好的。
为什么要这样说？
一会儿你就知道了，再说了。
行，可以了，别的就没有什么了，赶紧歇一下，歇一下。
哎，这个没有结束，这个结束了吧？